This is the WE gas blowback SCAR L. Alright, so starting at the stock, this has a 6-position collapsible stock. Pressing this button and sliding it back. This gun also features a collapsible stock. Press this button, see, fold, and it can be locked. Lock into place like that. Now it's locked in there. You can still get it out, but it won't fall off if you have it locked in and then run or something. It won't come unlocked. This gun also has an adjustable cheek rest, but I have lost a little piece on the outside to move it, but you can still get it with a screwdriver. You just push in that little silver piece right there, and it has a 3-position cheek rest. This gun also has a flip-up rear sight. Change left to right, up and down. This gun has sling mounts on both sides for a sling, if you care to put one on. This gun also has trademarks. The Mark 16 Mod 0 caliber 5.56 millimeter. This gun also has an ambidextrous fire selector, depending on if you shoot left-handed or right-handed. This gun also has an ambidextrous mag release. See right here. Take out the mag like that. Take out the mag. This gun also has a bolt catch, which is not ambidextrous. This has a nice rubbery feeling pistol grip that can be easily removed. It just has one single screw that goes up into the gun. That's it. You unscrew it, take it off, put on a mag pull on if you want. This whole gun, the whole receiver, rail system, outer barrel, sights, is all metal. The lower receiver is a solid plastic. Pistol grip is rubber, and the stock is also a solid plastic. And the butt plate is also rubber, just like the pistol grip. This gun has a detachable flash hider so that you can mount a silencer or a longer outer barrel, whatever you would like to do. This is a 14 millimeter positive thread. Also has a flip up front sight. Flips up just like that. Also, this gun has this little tool here that locks into place, and it is a little hex key. So that you can take off the rails right here, all of these screws here, 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 and back there. Also, so you could take out the inner barrel stuff, the hop up, all that kind of stuff inside. So, let's talk about inside the gun. This gun is extremely easy to take apart. First, you have to start by popping out this pin right here, push on it, flip the gun over, you pull out this pin right here. It stays in the gun, but it does come out all the way, so you can take off the entire lower receiver. Lower receiver just pops right out, just like that. You have your trigger assembly, all that kind of stuff. Next part of disassembling this gun, you push down on the stock, and the stock comes right out, just like that. Then take out this part right here. Okay. Then you see whichever side your bolt is on, you have to pull it back all the way to this little opening right there. Take out the charging handle, then you take out the whole bolt system in here, and your gun is fully disassembled. Now the hop-up in the gun is right there, the little wheel, and you just turn it. It's hard with one hand, but turn it like that, and you are changing the hop-up just like that. Really easy to do. Now this is the closed bolt version. So now that we have the gun fully disassembled, it is extremely easy, again, to put back together. Start by taking the bolt. You gotta line it up with the inside of the receiver. Okay, slide it in, but make sure not to slide too far so you can still see that little hole right there. Alright, so now you put in the charging handle, put down into this hole, and make sure that you can see how it's skinnier right here and here. Make sure that those align so they can go through this little slot right here. Okay, push it forward. Or say you want to have your charging handle on the other side of the gun because you shoot left-handed. Okay, so all you have to do is flip the gun over, and I'll start from the beginning. You got the bolt here. Okay, you line it up, slide it down in, stop the bolt right there so you can see the hole. Insert the charging handle, make sure that the skinny part lines up with that so you can slide it down through. Okay, slide it right to the front. Now, take this part right here, and it's hard to see, but you put it in that, put it right in this hole right here, and then make sure that it can go push. You can push it in like this. It's okay if it comes back out a little bit because the stock right here keeps it pushed in. Okay, now you have to line up the stock right here. Push in this part here. Just slide up the stock, just like that. Now you always stick in the rear of the little receiver in first. So you see, it matches up just like that. And because this comes out this way, it's sticking out. So I'm going to flip the gun over, just like that. Okay, just like before. Stick it in like that. Stick it in the back. Then make sure it's all aligned, and then push in the pin just like that. Okay, make sure it is in all the way.